isipin, kung ang mundo ay biglang kukunawin, ikaw ang una kong hahanapin.
Ano daw?
Where are you from?
Wow. Wait.
Nagugulo yan, sa'yo kami.
Who is singing? Oh, I don't have voice chat. My cousin verify it. Oh, this is my brother.
Ang ingay mo!
My
ulan.
brother is Filipino. She has a voice chat. I mean, he has a voice chat. He's not a girl. Ay, what the heck?
Batang ina pero matatag, mahirap man hindi umatrak.
What the heck is that? I can't understand it. Wait, who is talking to me? Oh, my brother too. My brother is here.
Kanta ka ulit, kalapastangan. Kanta ka ulit, kalapastangan.
What is Bisaya? Someone told me what is that?
Kanta ka ulit,
Bisaya?
kalapastangan.
Okay. I went to Philippines and I
Justin
learned
Bieber
one
yun eh.
word. I learned one word. Oh my god! I have a McDonald's again. McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Pasipin me.
Guys, who is this? Comment if is this you. Comment if you are playing MMB, if you are in here in my
Magpapatugtog
video.
ako. It's raining today.
What the? I have a McDonald's again because my brother is closer to me. Ahem, what wrong? I got innocent. And my brother too. What is that? Ah! I think you're the murderer. Who is that? I have McDonald's again. I hate McDonald's Wi-Fi. I hate McDonald's Wi-Fi. My voice is, you know, like my voice box is cracked. Or I understand taos. Taos is the who is the murderer? Ah! Oh, bye guys. Thank you for watching. This is a short video. Bye bye.